Aloha guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you some of the snacks that I eat on Weight Watchers Freestyle, and I'm definitely a snack girl. I know some people just like meals and food, but I definitely love a good snack. And so I'm going to show you some of the freestyle snacks that I eat on Weight Watchers. So if you want to see what I eat, just keep watching. Okay, so the first thing is recently I discovered this because they didn't have the popcorn that we used to eat, and this is called Skinny Pop. And I've never ever seen anything like this, nor have I tasted anything like this. So it comes in these containers like this, and you open it up. I would open it up, but then it might get bad. But it literally unfolds like a popcorn bag from the movie theater, and it pops up perfectly. It does not burn, and it tastes amazing, amazing. I am not even kidding. So for you popcorn fanatics, 3 come in here, and it's called Skinny Pop, and it's 27 calories per cup. But for the whole thing, which it pops up this whole big bag, is only 4 Weight Watcher points. So I think that's a good deal, especially because I only eat like either a quarter to maybe half of it. So yeah, but if you're going to eat the whole thing, it'll cost you 4 points. But why not share? Because I don't know, I think popcorn's kind of filling. But anyways, this is number 1. Okay, number 2, I love chips. I love baked chips, but these I've been eating for a really long time, and they are the Ritz crisps and thins, and they are so delicious. I love the bacon flavor, and they have 50% less fat. And so for these, you can have 21 chips for 3 points. But normally what I do is I'll have some of these, like if I'm making a sandwich, and then instead of regular chips, I'll have some of these. So I'll start off with 7, and I know 7 is 1 point. And if I feel like I'm gonna have more, then I'll go up to 2 points. But if I'm just gonna have this as a snack by itself, then I'll just do the whole 21 chips. And I know I'm going to track 3 points, and it's going to be the most delicious 3 points. So this is what that looks like. And here, let me demonstrate it for you. Yep, delicious. So those are my Ritz crisp thins. Yum. So another good snack, really, to keep you full, and it's basically protein. And of course, you buy these at Costco, and these are the Pacific Gold all natural original beef jerky. So this is premium. It says it's premium top round steak, high protein, made with sea salt, and it's gluten-free and no nitrates added. And we get the ones that come in individual packs, and these are only 2 points each. So you can have your own individual snack of beef jerky. It's protein. It's like having a steak in a bag, and they're only 2 Weight Watcher points. So we love those, and those will keep you full in between meals. So another thing that I buy at Costco, it's not in the bag, but it's the almonds, and they're just the all natural almonds. They're not like salted or baked or whatever. They're super good. They don't come in a resealable bag. So what I do is I empty them in a Ziploc, and then I put them in the refrigerator, and we keep them there because they will go not bad, but they'll get like soggy. So what I'll do, I like to take some of these in a smaller Ziploc, so that when we go traveling or we go out running errands, these are great to have in your purse on hand in case you get the hungry grumblies. And so I know I can have 7 almonds for 1 point. And those kind of take that hunger away, and then I'm not going to be reaching for Starbucks or Wendy's or whatever. Okay, so another snack that I make is with this PB2, and it's like a peanut butter substitute. So it's powdered peanut butter, and you can use 2 tablespoons for 1 point. So usually what I do is I put it in my smoothie. So I use 2 tablespoons, 1 banana, and then I use ice, and I use a cup of almond milk. So depending on if I have the 30% or the 50%, usually like if it's just me, I use half a cup. So for half a cup is 1 point, and then 1 point for this, 0 for the banana, and 0 for the ice. It'll make me a nice smoothie for 2 points, and it is delicious. So PB2, yeah. Okay, I'm saving the best for last. So this is definitely probably a popular ice cream, I would say, is the Halo Top. And this is my husband's. He really likes the peanut butter cup. And so what we usually do is he has his own, I choose my flavor, and when we want a snack, it's half a cup of ice cream for 3 points. And we eat it really slow and we enjoy it, and if we do that, then we're fine. But it's nice that you can have ice cream and it tastes good. So Halo Top is pretty good. They have, I like the birthday, I think it's called the birthday cake. And then they have another one like candy bar. I really like that one too. So yeah, this is really good, and it's 3 points for half a cup. So saving the best for last, and thank God I'm doing this video now because I'm almost done with this box. Are you serious? I know. So let me tell you, these Built bars are amazing. They're delicious, and I saw another girl that does Weight Watcher videos, and she eats these every day and she swears by them. She had a coupon code, so I was like, okay, I need some chocolate in my life. They are 3 points per bar, and that is amazing. Like for a protein bar, yes. So they have 15 grams of protein, 110 calories. It is made with 100% real chocolate, and they have all kinds of flavors. I got a mixed box, and as you can see, I only have 3 bars left. I will be putting in an order probably right after this video, but let me see if I can tell you, so if I remember the flavors. So I'll tell you what I have left. I have the salted caramel chocolate, I have the lemon, and then the mint chocolate cream. They have raspberry cream, orange cream, coconut, which is so good. The double chocolate, I think it's like double chocolate mousse, I think. And then vanilla, chocolate vanilla. And I think those are all the flavors, but they're so, so good. We were gonna get like a box of just one flavor, but I think we're gonna get the mixed box again. So yeah, so Built Bar, what I'll do is I'll link the Built Bars down below if you're interested in trying them, and I'll fish out the coupon code I used. So if you wanted to get a discount, you could get a discount. It doesn't benefit me, but I definitely want to give my viewers and people who are watching this an opportunity to save some money as well. And I'll also link, I'm not going to link, I'll put the recipe that I use for this PB2 for my peanut butter banana smoothie. I'll also put that in the description box for you. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful. I gave you some ideas of some yummy snacks that you could have and still keep on your Weight Watchers journey. And I think that's all I have to say. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button. Let me know what you'd like to see in the future, and I'll see what I can do about getting that up for you. Otherwise, I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.